Hey guys, this is the puzzle box that you saw in my last video, but I made an upgrade to it, added an extra step, and it is a little more challenging than the previous version. So, here's a 360 view. Okay, well, let's get to solving it. So first, you've got to pull this thing out, take and right here, push in until it stops, push this in, then you take some force, there, and there's the drawer. Still have my money in there, but as you can see, it's a little different on the shape of the drawer. And yeah, so that's my puzzle box. Oh wait, well, for resetting it, I'm gonna have to pick it up. In here, kind of hard to see. Oh well. You gotta solve it from the inside. Well, fix it from the inside, because you can't do anything from the outside. Stick that back in, and there. So, put this back up there. And doesn't always like to stick back on. There. And slide the drawer back in. There. So, that's my puzzle box 2.0. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and then leave comments for stuff that you'd like me to do for videos. See you guys.